Hello, members. We hope that you are doing fine. This is Aman from Upmove Stocks. Today we are going to discuss about one of our most favorite stocks. The name is Birlasoft. As you can see, we have been recommending this stock from time to time, and almost every time it has given huge profits to our clients. So minimum is like 5 to 8% gives almost every time, and this time we believe that it has given more than even it has surely given 10%. So we suggested this stock to our members at a price of 469 when the market was falling heavily. So it was something at around, you can say, in this candle we had suggested it to our members to buy it around 469 to 471, and within 2 days it has moved almost 40 rupees, you can say. So you can take it as 9% to 10% return within 2 days. So why we like this stock? We like this stock because a lot of IT stocks are moving up, we know that, but Birlasoft has been consolidating in the past for quite long. You can see the consolidation that has taken place in this region. So just a second, we will try to show it to you, because this is how technical analysis should be done and should be understood. So just a second. So you can see that it had been consolidating in this region. Okay. So once, like, you can, if you want to take it completely, you can take this, or you can even take this, or you can take this. This is the appropriate level, because we can see that every time it touches here, then it goes up, then it touches here, then it goes up. So it was consolidating in this region, this particular region. Just a second. Yeah, so now it will be very clear to you. So it was consolidating in this particular area, and once it gave a breakout of this area, it was around 441. So we had suggested this stock to buy it for 432 also, and on the very same day it went to like 417 and 480, we believe so. So it was consolidating in this region, and once a stock gives a breakout of the consolidation, then it is expected to give huge movements in the near term. As we can see, the very next day it moved by 8%. The very next day, though there was slight decline, but it closed or it closed lower than the previous day. But after the, you can see this candle, the candle of 23rd November, it moved by 43 rupees from the closing of 456. So it went directly to 502 rupees and closed at 500 rupees. So now what was happening is, because of the fall that resulted from the Omicron variant in the last few days, the stock fell from its highs of 521.90 to almost 467.60. So we gave this stock at around 4.469 when it started showing a little recovery, and the returns have been tremendous in the last 2 days itself. And this stock is very, very strong even now. How? Now we are trying to explain you that. Now you can see that it will try to cross this region. In the past also, it has made multiple attempts to cross this region, but again it comes back, then again it goes up, then again it comes back. Even when it made a high of 521.90, it wasn't able to close above this area. So once it will start closing above, just a second, the coordinate is 508.90, exactly where it had closed today. Or you can take it a little higher. You can take it as, maybe to be on a conservative side, you can take it as 55510 is would be the appropriate level. Once it will start closing above this level, then there is a huge possibility of movement in this stock, and it can give huge returns in the days to come. So even if I take the consolidation only, even if I take the consolidation range, let us say I am taking this range because it came here, then it went back up, then it came here, then it went back up. So this is the consolidation range. Normally it is called a channel. So it is basically a channel that is forming. Now this is a channel. Okay, so this is your channel. Just a second. So this is a channel that it has formed. So what is likely to happen, even if we take the difference between the upper end of the channel and the lower end of the channel, it is coming around to be 5110 minus 466. So it is coming around to be 34 rupees. 34 rupees. As soon as it will break this channel and will try to sustain above it, it is possible that Birlasoft may give a very rapid movement of 34 rupees. So we can take that Birlasoft can easily go up to 544 to 550 rupees in the coming days. Please note that these videos are only for your educational purposes, and we don't intend to promote any trading in Birlasoft. either on the buy side or on the sell side, because market is very, very volatile. It is also possible that Birlasofts might touch this high and then again come back, because it is in a phase of consolidation. Only once the breakout happens and the breakout is sustained by the stock, then we can say that it can show further upside movement. Also, we can see that it is forming a flag pattern, which is also a very good pattern, which is also a bullish pattern in the given case. So the target can be much higher as well. So it will be 510 minus 4012. It is approximately 99 rupees from the breakout level if this occurs. So we can assume that Birlasoft can touch 610 in the coming weeks, not in days, in the coming weeks, because today's candle is huge. It is just beyond imagination, even though the volume is not very high. So this is the only problem, because you can see in the past, when the Birlasoft moved up very rapidly, the volumes were also high. Even though the volume is good enough, it is more than the average, but we would have preferred a little more volume. So if it breaks 510 tomorrow itself and sustains above it, then you can see a rapid movement in Birlasoft in the days to come. We had also suggested this stock at 511 previously, because we thought that the breakout had occurred and the stock will be able to sustain it. But on the very same day, Birlasoft started falling because of the news of the Omicron. So the stock went till here and then it came back again. It might took the stop loss here and then it started going up again. It is a very, very good stock fundamentally also, and is generally preferred by a lot of big players as well. So let us keep a watch on this stock at a level of 510. But once it crosses this level, it can show a rapid movement, provided it is able to sustain 511 on the upside and doesn't come back again within this channel. Because if it comes back within this channel, then the breakout hasn't occurred, even if it goes up and then comes back. So the breakout to be successful, it is very important that the candle should close above the resistance line. Then only we can say that breakout is confirmed, and preferably there should be two closings above the resistance line, so that we can be at least 70 to 80% sure, yes, the breakout is genuine and it is not a false breakout that could be like laid down by the big players to trap small retailers. Because what would happen, as soon as this breakout will occur, a lot of retailers will try to enter the market, will try to buy Birlasoft. They will put their buy orders, and what will happen, they will buy the order, they will push the price up. Big players will sell their stocks at higher price, and then it will again come back. So this like seems to be the same kind of thing which we are saying as well, that it could have been a trap, that it did went up to 521. A lot of people might have bought it here and then sharply came down, because we had given this stock at 511 also. But yes, now it is at 511. So even if anyone wants to exit, if any one of our members wants to exit from this stock, he or she can easily exit within a day or two at cost. But certainly they have already made profit because of the advice that was given at the level of 469. So they have already made 40 rupees in Birlasoft. And even if they are holding the stock, there is a possibility that it might show a huge upside tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow, provided Nifty 50 remains a little positive, a little strong, and the breakout does happen and Birlasoft manages to close above this resistance line of 508. Yes, it will face some resistance at this level, but once the stock closes above the resistance lines, above the major resistance line, then there is a possibility then that it can move very rapidly up, because this is what is called a breakout. So it can give a breakout of the flag pattern, it can give a breakout of the channel pattern. So the target of 30 to 40 rupees can come within like 2 to 3 days, provided it gives the breakout. The target of 90 rupees might come in certain weeks. Again, Nifty 50 has to hold good in that case, and Birlasoft also has to maintain this breakout of 510 in the coming days. So this is how the technical analysis is done. Now we will study Birlasoft on weekly charts. So you can see that again we have marked the region. So it is like there is a saying that the stock is in, you can say that the stock is upward sloping. So the candles are in upward sloping, so it is making higher lows. So you can see if you connect these lines, so the lows are higher. With each and every candle, the low is higher than the previous low, as you can see. The low was in this case was 418. In this candle, it was 441. In this candle, it was 447. In this candle, it was 464. In this candle, it was 481. And as of now, the candle that is getting prepared, that will come to conclusion on this Friday, it is 457. So because we cannot take this as of now, as the week has not closed, but you can see that that Birlasoft is forming in most of the cases except this candle higher lows. So this is also a positive sign from technical analysis that the stock is in a kind of uptrend and it is doing good. Also, the candle is very nice and the volume is also quite decent. Now we will take you to the monthly chart of Birlasoft only. So you can see it is almost at its high. So once it gives a breakout of this, we can expect a huge movement. Also, you can see the volume on monthly chart. It is getting bigger and bigger day by day. So the month will end on 31st of December, maybe on the last trading day. That we will check. Just a second. So yes, 31st of December is Friday. So most probably the market will be open on that day. So if this candle continues to persist, we can expect a huge movement in the days to come. So Birlasoft is looking strong as of now. Please don't take any trade based on this video because the market is highly volatile. Also, these videos are only for your educational purposes and educating you how to make projections of your own stocks and not a recommendation for you to trade in these stocks because stock trades can result in huge losses if you don't have proper guidance as to when to exit or to enter. And if you take trades with improper quantity, then you can wipe out your entire capital in a single day. So please be cautious and don't take any trades on the basis of these videos, as we will not be responsible for any loss or profit that results from any trade that you have taken on the basis of our videos. So we hope that you would find this information useful, and particularly for holders of Birlasoft, that they can monitor their stock as to how the stock is going to perform in the days to come. So with this, I would like to sign off. Thanks a lot. This is Aman. Bye-bye. Take care.